Corvette time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 50th 2003 Chevrolet Corvette, of course an anniversary red, shale interior, shale top, that LS1 5.7 liter power plant underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at the nose cone on this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed mileage, just a tad over 50,000 on this one. See, the paint shows well up front here. Hey, it's been driven 50,000 miles, so you're gonna have a few spots where there may be a touch up or small little rock chip, but hey, get in, turn the key, go, have some fun. Want to see the still pictures? So you can check out the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at Unique ClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct anniversary wheels for this particular C5. Passenger side looks like it's pretty much free of much of any big nicks or scratches. One little tiny small one on the protective strip along the side there. Of course, leather bucket seats, and again shale leather. That LS1 paired up with an automatic with overdrive trans. Take a look at the condition of the seats, the floor mats in this one. Dual power seats, dual climate control, electronic climate control at that. Selective ride there also, if you notice the knob on that center console. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the luster coming off that paint. Nice reflection. Nice luster of that paint. Center dump exhaust. Once again, still pictures. Check this thing out, every angle, top to bottom. I have pictures with the top up. Here at the end of the video, we're going to flip that top up too. Let you check it out. See what kind of condition that is in. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Probably one of our most popular selling models, 50th anniversary C5s. Of course, power windows, locks, power mirrors, memory seating, Bose stereo system. Mentioned earlier, electronic climate control for both sides, passenger and driver. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Check out those exact miles. This one is also going to have a heads-up display, which you can see up there. Control. Whoops, sorry about that. Controls for that right there. Driver's information center, as you can hear. Radio's working. AC blows cold. Take a look at the dash. When I say a little over 50,000, I mean a little. Whoops. 50,034. Original miles. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Seating area. Free of rips, tears, holes. Much wear at all, really. 50th anniversary insignia. Correct to this car. Slip around to the back, pretty stock sounding. Doesn't sound any crazy exhaust on there, no big cams, anything like that. All right, let's pop this hood. Go ahead and we can do this with the camera, not a problem. There you go, 5.7 liter LS1 with 350 horsepower, 360 pound-feet of torque, I believe would be correct for this car. Tried and true power plant. I wanted to flip those headlights up for you too, just to show you those are in working order. So don't get any questions on YouTube about those. Come around here to the passenger side, check it out. Light under the hood even working. Nice clean hood liner. Doesn't look like this car has really been driven in much of any sort of inclement weather. There you go. Anniversary vet. Bet we should probably take a look at that top quick for you though. So let me shut this hood up and we'll get the top fastened and secured and take a look at that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up. So matching shale top to match the interior, cloth top. This one's in nice shape. It doesn't look like it's really discolored at all. Rips, tears, holes, none of that. Rear glass window with defogger, defrost. Fits nice and snug, nice and tight up along the windshield. And those are manual tops, remember. One person can put them up in less than a minute. Not very tough to work at all. Actually, probably quicker than a mechanical power top and a lot less to go wrong. There you go, anniversary event 2003. Clean Carfax, a little over 50,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in.